Hello students. So in this lecture today we will discuss about the acidity of alcohols and then we will compare the acidity of alcohols with that of phenols. So as we all know that what is acidic character of alcohols. Basically alcohols on reaction with water get deprotonated and results into alkoxide ion as we have seen in this very first reaction also, and by producing hydronium ion as a byproduct. Similarly, phenol also react in the same way. In the presence of water, it get converted into phenoxide ion by the liberation of hydronium ion. But what compares their acidity? Acidity get compared by the stability of alkoxide ions as well as phenoxide ion liberated after the deprotonation of alcohols and phenols respectively by the reaction with water, or we can say in the presence of water. So we assume that if ROH, that is alcohol, reacts with water or in the presence of water get deprotonated and resulted into alkoxide ion, as we can see by taking an example of an ethanol in the presence of H2O get converted into ethoxide ion plus H3O positive, that is hydronium ion. So the dissociation constant, or we can say that the acid dissociation constant Ka is easily represented by this particular equilibrium equation, that is Ka is equal to products multiplied products divided by the reactant concentration, and hence we can get the pKa also, that is the minus of logarithm of Ka value. And we all know that as the Ka value increases, we can say that acidic character increases of particular alcohol, and reverse is with that of the pKa value. So you can see in this orange box also there is a statement mentioned over here, that is more smaller the pKa value and more acidic the alcohol is because of the larger value of Ka value. But still we have not compared the acidity of two, that is alcohols and phenols. So for the comparison of the both, we have to see the reaction of phenol also. Phenol on reaction with water get converted into phenoxide ion plus hydronium ion. But from the two, we can say that phenol is more acidic than that of alcohol because of the resonance effect, as we will see in the further slides. First case, there is a RO negative, or the liberation of alkoxide, or the production or generation of alkoxide ion in case of alcohol on get deprotonated. But this alkoxide ion is very much less stable than that of the phenoxide ion, because we can see that after the liberation of proton or the conversion of phenoxide ion, this phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized due to the delocalization of oxygen containing lone pair, or we can say the negative charge after the liberation of proton get delocalized on the benzene ring as a whole. So this is giving it a stability, and it is hence a more stable liberated ion as compared to that of alkoxide ion, because in case of alkoxide ion there is no such kind of benzene ring for the delocalization or stabilization of ion present over here. So yes, if we study these points, one of the lone pairs of electrons on the oxygen atom is delocalized into the benzene ring, that is making it a more stable ion. Second one is the phenoxide ion is more stable because the negative charge is not confined to the oxygen atom but delocalized into the benzene ring. Third one is the phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized by the benzene ring, and this decreases the tendency for the phenoxide ion to react with hydronium ion. What this line means? This line means the decrease the tendency of the phenoxide ion to react with hydronium ion, that is there will be the less chances for the backward reaction, and hence we will get the stable phenoxide ion. As a result, the value of Ka is increased, as I can see over here. The value of Ka, dissociation constant, get increased. As a result, larger will be the more will be the acidity of the resultant phenol. Okay, So hence we can say that if we compare the acidity of two, that is phenols and alcohol, definitely we will do it on the basis of the liberated ion, that is phenoxide as well as alkoxide ions respectively. And after the comparison of the stabilities of two ions, we have found that phenoxide ions are more stable due to resonance effect as that of alkoxide ion, and hence phenols are more acidic than that of alcohols. So we are done with this very first topic of today's lecture, that is comparison of acidity with of alcohols with that of phenols. Now in this next slide we will study the effects of acidity. Basically what we want to see is how the given substituent affect the acidity of particular alcohol. Okay, so we can assume or we can say that we can generalize this point that the acidity of the given alcohol get decreased by the substitution of an electron donating group. That is, if more and more alkyl groups get attached to the particular alcohol, the acidity get decreased. Why is it so? Because it strengthens the OH bond and hence make it difficult to release a proton. Until and unless the proton get released out from the OH bond, we can't say that it is a good or the stronger acid. So any factor which is strengthening that particular OH bond will definitely decrease the acidity of that particular alcohol. Hence we can say that methanol, which is just the formula CH3OH, is more acidic than that of tertiary butyl alcohol containing 3 bulky and CH3 groups having the nature of electron donation. Next, the reverse will be there with the presence of electron withdrawing atoms. Why in the presence of electron withdrawing atoms there is a enhancement of the acidity of alcohol? The reason is totally reverse of the above, that is, with the presence of electron withdrawing atom on any particular alcohol, it stabilizes the resultant alkoxide ion. With the help of its minus I effect, there will be the dispersal of the positive charge, and with the dispersal of the positive charge the ion will get stabilized. So we can say that in 2-chloroethanol, which is more acidic than that of ethanol because of the presence of an electron withdrawing chlorine atom, right? Because chlorine is having minus I effect due to its electronegative nature, and it will help to stabilize the 2-electroethoxide ion. Next is alcohol with more than one electron withdrawing atoms are more acidic. That is, 2,2-dichloroethanol is more acidic than that of 2-chloroethanol. That is, more the number of electron withdrawing groups, more will be the enhancement in the acidity of particular alcohol. Same examples you can see with the halogen atoms as well as the nitro group, which are also electron withdrawing group. So next in this topic we will study the importance of alcohol. Sorry for the spelling mistake over here. That is importance of alcohol. So alcohol, how alcohols are important to us? Ethanol, which is also an alcohol, the basic alcohol, the solvent is used for varnishing, for perfumes, flavorings, medium for chemical reactions in recrystallization. Basically we will see in the workup process and the recrystallization process, ethanol is in great demand. Also, it is an important raw material for any kind of synthesis. Medically, it is classified as hypnotic. Hypnotics are basically sleep producer, and they are the less toxic than other alcohols, especially methanols. Methanols are considered to be very harmful alcohols for consumption than that of ethanol. Why is it so? Because in the body, methanols get converted into methanol, which can lead to the blindness also, right? So we don't easily consume, or we are not recommended to consume methanol as an alcohol, but we can consume ethanol because of its less toxic nature. So ethanol can also be prepared by both hydration of ethylene and by fermentation of sugars. It is the alcohol of alcoholic beverages. You can see over here, alkenes in the presence of water in the acid catalyst get converted into ethanol, and hence we can see the glucose is there. Glucose, after basically it is a sugar, it is a carbohydrate, in the presence of yeast, which is an enzyme, will get converted into, because of the fermentation of the particular sugar, into ethanol as well as carbon dioxide. So students, in the next class we will see about the preparation of alcohols. For this particular class we are done with the very important topic, that is the discussion of acidity of alcohol, its comparison with phenols, the effect of acidity on alcohols, basically how electron donating group and how electron withdrawing group will definitely affect the acidity, right? And hence after it we have discussed some important points of alcohol in our daily life uses. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.